Welcome to Disciplr. Now that you've set up your account, it's time to get started with Spaces. Spaces is Disciplr's way to meet your ministry's needs. It's extremely flexible, but usually people use these spaces for different classrooms that are used either on the weekend or during weekly activities. And from here, you'll be able to create your first space. And you can call it whatever you like. We'll go ahead and call it elementary, such a unique name there. But you can call this whatever your elementary room is, or maybe one of your preschool or adult Sunday school experiences. And depending on your account, you'll have access to either 3, 10, or unlimited spaces. And if you're in the free trial like this account is, you'll start with our 3 spaces account. Let's go ahead and click on our first space here. And now there's a few different things you can do. You can add curriculum from the library available on Disciplr. You can add people to your team. That's usually people who either volunteer in that room or maybe parents or other people who need access to that curriculum as well. Or settings where you can take notes about this space or even delete the space if you need to at any point. But the best place to get started with your space is to add some curriculum.